Hello everyone, I'm Silvia Monica and today I made a video about a day in my life. I usually wake up at 6 a.m. and start my day with a glass of water. After that, I take a shower and get dressed. I then spend some time checking my social media accounts and I have obligations that I need to fulfill, so I spend more time studying both online and offline. At noon, I take a break and have lunch. After lunch, I usually continue for the next class and after that I go home. When I get back home, I spend some time cleaning the house and if I'm not doing something, I usually listen to music while lying down. And in the evening, I like to watch TV, checking my social media accounts or doing coursework. Finally, I go to bed at around 11 p.m. Yeah, overall my daily activities are a mix of lectures, cleaning and not doing anything intense if it's not there. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.